What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, in this one, I want to bring another opportunity to you guys. I feel as though any of these, like pre-sales, any of these things that have maybe major utility and have a concept to them, have a community to them, have popularity to them, are are definitely no-brainers in the fact that you could see massive gains in the long run, right? And in the short term. And that's really what everybody's looking for in the crypto market, right? We're looking for those bigger players, ones that could be a 10x, 20x, 30x, and also things that you can utilize to essentially make yourself a little bit more money, give yourself more value, or provide some sort of service, right? So, with this being said, I want to bring Mega Dice to the table, right? Mega Dice Casino is looking like, in my opinion, to be a pretty big play. And the reason being is because casinos right now, gambling right now, is just all the rage, right? I went to Atlantic City and obviously doing it more in person, it's something where, it's a great experience. And if you can, if you're good at some of these games, if you're good at, poker, or you're good at blackjack, or obviously, a lot of other things could be random and could be more of a game of chance, but it is something that can provide somebody with some sort of extra money, extra value, extra income if they're good at what they're doing. Now, I know that everything comes down to chance, and gambling is more about the experience of doing it rather than about just making money from it. But it's still something that if you are a fan of gambling, not have any type of an addiction, then you can, do that willingly, and you could do that over here through utilizing, cash or cryptocurrency or whatever. Now, again, before we get into this, if anybody does have a gambling addiction, make sure you do seek help about it, because obviously I know that it can be a problem when you have that dopamine, you have that fix in a little in a way. So if you do have that, I just want to put this disclaimer out there. I want you guys to get yourself some help, and hopefully you can feel better about what you're doing, and gamble with fun rather than just trying to always make your money back, right? It's about the experience. It's not about just trying to be as profitable as possible, which would be great in the long run, but it's not necessarily a prerequisite, right? But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, feel free to do that in the description. If you want to check out all of the links for Mega Dice Casino down below, I will provide all of them down below so you guys can give it a look to see if you like the token, as well as the use case or product that they offer. So first, let's start with the kind of the token, right? And the token is set to where right now we're at a pre-sale, and it's set to be the number one GameFi on Sol. Its ticker symbol or coin symbol is DICE, DICE. The Ultimate Casino Token experience, exclusive benefits retroactively, and with every wager. Join the community. You can play now on Telegram. You can play now via web. Now, where we currently stand with the token, it's in pre-sale, and they raised about 1.2, 1.3 million dollars right now, and the current price is at about 8 cents. The total dice that has been bought is 18.3 million. And it looks good. Where they stand, it looks good. They're seeing a decent amount of volume, decent amount of traction, and you can buy with Sol, you can buy with ETH, you can buy with BNB, so you can buy with many different places. You don't have to just hold Sol, you don't have to just hold Ethereum, you don't have to just hold BNB. You can have one or the other, and you can find a way to buy with Sol or with cryptocurrency. Now, obviously, the next stage that they have here, buy before the next stage increase. The next increase, you're going to see this higher than I would imagine 8 cents, but it's not a given. They don't really give you that information right now, but you're going to see it higher. Where your purchase price is going to be if you kind of hold off a little bit. But let's get into what is Mega Dice. Already a rapidly growing global crypto casino brand with over 50K players, Mega Dice is not a new casino. It is one of the top brands in the crypto casino space. Uh, our focus is growth and adding value to players or to our players, like with the introduction of Dice. So you have 4,000 plus games from top providers, 50 plus sports and esports. So if you're looking to bet not only on games there, but also like sports games, whether it's like, NBA or NHL or whatever, you're able to bet there. But you also have 50,000 plus players here and growing, right? If people are excited about it and you have the ability to utilize cryptocurrency to make these investments, that's kind of what it's all about, right? 10,000 plus active monthly members, and then you have $50 million of monthly wagers, $50 million plus dollars of monthly wagers. That's fantastic to see that level. That's how you know that it has popularity. That's how you know that you're seeing some activity, and it's not just something that's like, oh, this is another casino that's created. No, this is already created. It's already a thing. They're just having this introduction of the Dice token here. So season 1, you have season 2, you have season 3. Join the excitement with a stake of our in our 750,000 USD airdrop. Stay active. Hit a wager volume of $5,000 within 21 days and enjoy retroactive rewards based on expected launch value. Season 2, don't miss out on your share of $750,000 airdrop wager with any cryptocurrency from pre-sale to token launch and win big based on expected launch value. Now you have season 3, grab a piece of 750,000 USD airdrop pie. Keep your game strong within 21 days and at least $5,000 retroactively based on expected launch value. Our features: daily rewards to holders based on casino performance, limited edition NFTs, gaming ecosystem. You have early bird bonuses, referral programs as well. So Dice holders can enjoy a generous 25% rev share through the Mega Dice referral program. Again, that's a big deal. That means that you have some sort of extra benefit to holding that position. Now, how to buy: connect your wallet with MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Enter the pre-sale, determine how much dice you want to buy. You can buy with ETH, BNB, and Sol. Claim dice. Congratulations, you claim your dice after the pre-sale ends. Here are the tokenomics, the breakdown for the tokenomics. 35% is going to pre-sale, 15% for airdrops for players, 15% for LP, casino dice pool, 15%, staking rewards, 10%, marketing and KOL deals, 5%, and affiliates will be 5% as well. So definitely broken down with 420 million total coins. That's not a lot, right? We've seen things in the billions and the tens of billions, hundreds of billions, or even trillions or quadrillions. So seeing this at this level, you know that some of these prices of $1, $2, $3 can be feasible, especially when you're seeing a launch of, maybe 8 cents or 10 cents, right? That's a 10x up to a level of $1 from there. And that's with something that already has a level of popularity. Like we go over to the Twitter and you see they have 28,000 followers on Twitter. So it has a level of popularity, meaning that people understand, they know what it is. So anyways, guys, I want you to go ahead and check this out. I know that casinos are great. They have their roadmap all over here, and there's a lot more information that you get into, right? You can go into like what is a pre-sale. You can go into what are the benefits Dice offers. Why don't we go through that right now, and then you guys can go through whatever else you feel like going through. So megadice.com offers the flexibility to play using the leading cryptocurrencies, yet it is it's the exclusive Dice token that unlocks remarkable benefits, including staking rewards and additional perks simply for possessing it. Although not mandatory for participation in the casino's various games, Dice serves as an additional currency option for wagering, standing out with its unique advantages. Now, that's a big deal, right? It's not necessarily just like, oh, you have to hold Dice in order to play this game, because obviously the casino has existed before Dice actually existed. But you have that as another option to utilize that. And also, when does the presale end? The presale will open until the hard cap is reached, which is $10 million USD. The soft cap for the pre-sales $5 million USD. So this whole thing is interesting. I like casinos. I play, different casinos from time to time, and this may be an option that I go to now as a different one, right? Obviously, I don't gamble a lot, but when I do, like I want to bet on a sports game, whether it's WNBA, I'm betting with Caitlin Clark or against Caitlin Clark or with anybody else, and then also betting on the NBA, betting on the NFL, betting on whatever, right? I'm looking to just have some fun with it. And that's really what it's all about. And again, I want to say, the disclaimer, obviously, if you have any type of gambling addiction, I know there's people out there that have that, really seek some help. Because, obviously it's very difficult to one, realize if you do have that, and two, obviously take those steps to fix it if you do have it. So, gamble with caution. But it honestly looks like a great use case for the coin. It looks like a great pre-sale when it comes to the investment side of it. Even me, like I look at investing into crypto, and that may be a little bit more of an addiction in investing there. So the dopamine, the feeling of seeing a larger gain is absolutely amazing, and it's like no other feeling, right? So anyways, feel free to check out all the links down below for Mega Dice Casino, the token, the pre-sale, everything that you want to know. And make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.